Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I have some unboxing to do, and this box I got today, I'm very excited about this one particular because this item I was looking for a while now, and finally I was able to get it. So as you can see, it's Moschino Couture Milano. Okay, so it all came in this bigger box with all of this protective plastic and stuff, and the label, of course, return stuff. And so this came from Saks of Fifth Avenue, so it's like a Saks Fifth Avenue but discounted one. That's why it's called like of Fifth. I guess it's just kind of like an outlet from Saks. So, and this is gonna be a bag. Let me open it. So about this particular bag, I was looking for a while now, as I said, because I wanted some specific color and specific kind, as you will see now, and I couldn't just locate it. I was looking everywhere, and the only place I saw it was Moschino official website, but they don't, like, on this specific style they never had any discounts. So, and it was about $1,700, so I didn't want to spend that much money, and I decided to wait because someday, like some months ago, I actually saw something similar in Century 21, but it was like $649, but I didn't buy it for some reason. It wasn't specifically this style, it was like with some extras, some like fridge and stuff, like bag, but with some extra fridge, different colors, so it was like too much for me and I didn't buy it. So actually I'm glad I didn't do it back then, and now I was able to buy it from like good store that I know exactly it's gonna be genuine Moschino bag, not like some copy or etc. etc. So let's take a look at this bag. Okay, so it looks so good. It has this original Moschino Couture Milano dust bag, and it's actually very nice dust bag. I mean, almost the same quality as like this Louis Vuitton style, but a little bit like more linen, so I like it. Okay, so in this box we don't have anything in this box except for bag itself. Okay, let's take a look in the bag. So this is the dust bag, and this is it. The bag I was dreaming about, because I saw this bag a while ago, maybe a year or something, and I just was like fall in love in this bag and I wanted so badly, but I couldn't just locate it, like some discounted price on this bag. I saw similar ones in Century again 21. It was pink and blue, but they were like smaller and a little bit different style. Then I found something like this, like in the black, and it was with, as I just said, with some fridges here, like all here, all there, and even all the strap was like all in fridges, and these fridges were like so brown and it like didn't look good to me. So I wanted something like this, like similar and just simple biker bag, like original one without any extra. And finally I was able to find it. So the price for this beauty was $999, so it's $1,000 bag. So but anyway, it's much better than you pay $1,700 for this bag if you buy it like originally from Moschino website. So, and here was $999, and I like waited for like a day or something, and it was for Columbus Day, I guess, some discount, and it was like plus 20%, and it all went down to 871 with all this, like with all these taxes and stuff. So basically it's like it's 800, so if not considering taxes. So look at this bag. This is obviously it's all leather. I believe this kinda like calf leather or something. Okay, let's take a look inside. Okay, so here we have this is carry instructions, all this all this information, original tags. So I know that this is supposed to be like a little pocket. Yeah, it's little pocket, but it's literally super little. Like this. It's just like all this length. That's it. Just like half my finger. Okay, so and this one a little bit bigger, like till here. Yeah, it's actually good just to put some change maybe, or I don't know, Metro card probably. Yeah. So what about this one? No, this is not. Okay, so let's take a look. So inside it's pretty much simple. It has it says Moschino here, and it has like one pocket here and one zip pocket over here. Okay, and I believe this is pockets too, probably. Yeah, actually it's just like one big pocket on side. I'm not sure what to put here because it's pretty much open, but you see it. Yeah, it's like one big over here, and I believe, yes, it's going like this way. I believe there is no pockets here. No, it's actually everywhere, like kind of like a pocket in this bag. So many different small spaces around. Okay, so and this is it. So it's pretty simple, and I like it so much. This will goes like literally with everything, probably. Yeah, I like that this is kind of like goldish, looks stylish, not like super huge something like when you have like a shoulder strap. This one is pretty cool. So, and the bag itself, as you can see, pretty small. If to compare it with, like, for example, Louis, it's the same size. Yes, about 20, I don't know, 24 or something centimeters here. Yeah, they look the same size. So thank you for watching this video and unpacking with me this amazing Moschino Milano bag, and I'll see you soon with more videos and more stuff to unpack. Thank you.